guys, I'm Nora. I'm Japanese and live in the UK. Yakitori is chicken barbecue skewer and is very popular in Japan. Especially negima, where you can eat sweet soy sauce and green onion together, is popular. This time, I'll introduce how to make NEGIMA-DON. This is the ingredients. If you don't have potato starch, you don't have to. Cook the rice. Mix soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar. Cut onion to about 3 to 5 cm. Cut chicken to bite size. And soak to sauce. Grill the green onions in a non-oil frying pan or in the oven to the extent that they are slightly charred. It's about 7 to 8 minutes. Remove it from the frying pan once. Spread oil to pan and grill the chicken. Stir until cooked into the chicken. Mix onion and chicken. Mix the potato starch dissolved in the water little by little. And fry until thickened. Press it on top of the cooked rice. Thank you for watching until the end. Please read the description. The website in the description introduce how to make it. So please read it. And please like it and subscribe to this channel. Have a lovely day. See you next time.